Hello there. Today we are going to see how we can install Windows in our PC or device. Before that, we need more than 8 GB USB for this kind of installation. We need to go to the website of the official link of the Microsoft. Then we need to download it. Windows Media Creation Tool. I will give the link in the description. So plug in your USB drive, then click the software. As you can see, I'm doing it. Then wait for a bit. It takes a little more time. Okay, then next, and I want to reference my this PC, the 64-bit PC. So I will select that recommendation using this PC option. Okay, then select my user type, and then I need to wait for a lot of moment. I guess it depends on your internet connection. So I'm just fast forwarding. It take around 15 minutes for me. I'm just make it as fast forwarding as possible to show you guys. It don't have that much of hassle when you are using the official, but you need a Microsoft account before you are installing. You need the Microsoft official account. If you don't have the Microsoft official account, then Microsoft currently have bypass in their system, but in future they will cancel it as far as I know. I have the information. So for now, we are going to see how we can install it locally. And if you have the Microsoft account, you have nothing to worry. Just click the next after installing in the Windows. I will show you this in further on the recording. So fast forwarding the recording. We are done. Our newspaper computers later portable for you can use F1 to F12 step you know how to create. So you need to find out which company company I'm using. So I have to use the link select the inside the portable priority the USB and its name is generic. Most basically every computer I've seen so far it's called the generic drive 2.0 something like this. So you will get the same thing. So then the select the generic and wait for a bit moment. Here is the Windows setup menu. uh, so click the next. I want of English. Yes, there. Yes, I have agreed. If you have the product key, you can use it in next options, or you like to the previous review of the Windows installation, you can use it. I don't have the key, so I will keep the next. So Windows 10 Pro, 11 Pro, I guess. Yeah, I have tried the Windows 11 Pro. So next, searching for the disks, it will scan my all kind of hard disks. I will delete that disk where I am going to install it, make it as free as possible. You also need to delete your installation hard drive and make it unlocated space. Yes, then next, yes, you need to TPM enable. So here you go, just click the next. It will take some time. I will fast forward it also. Your computer might be get restart multiple times. It depend on the computer hardware and the updates of that Windows 11. So it will take multiple times, multiple restart. Okay, let's go see. Installing Windows, yeah, it's just the first menu, so it don't have, I guess, the drivers. It will install the drivers auto, so I need connect to the internet. So it then I will click the OBS bypass NROs for the bypassing the networking or the local account issues. Every time I need to install, I keep the password, so I'm just skipping that with that command. I will give that command in the description also. It currently working, but in future I think it won't going to working that much. So give the name and password if you need it. So you can install it as you like. I'm just skipping. Local account is more easy to use. So my Windows is installed.